Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom domain in Render. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through each step so you can get your domain connected without issues. Start by opening your Render dashboard and selecting the service you want to attach your custom domain to. Keep in mind that only web services and static sites support custom domains. Next, go to the Settings tab of your service and scroll down to the Custom Domains section. Click Plus, add custom domain and enter your domain name. If your domain contains Unicode characters, convert it to Punycode first using a tool like Punicoder. This ensures Render can read it correctly. After saving, you'll see your domain listed. Render will automatically handle the root domain and the www version by adding whichever one is missing and redirecting it accordingly. However, your domain still won't point to your Render service yet. You'll need to configure DNS. Before updating anything, remove any A records from your DNS provider because Render uses IPv4 only. Leaving A records can cause problems. Now log into your DNS host, such as Cloudflare, Namecheap, or GoDaddy, and open your domain's DNS settings. Add the DNS records required by Render based on your provider's instructions. Once your DNS records are updated, go back to Render and verify your domain. Just click Verify beside the domain you added. If verification doesn't work right away, that usually means the DNS still needs time to propagate, so wait a few minutes and try verifying again. When the domain successfully verifies, Render will automatically issue a TLS certificate. After that, open your browser and try loading your custom domain. If you get a 502 bad gateway, it just means Render is still updating its routing. Give it a moment and refresh again. And that's it. Once your custom domain loads properly, your Render service is fully connected and ready to use.